Introducing Houston's Pink Leopard Massager, a smooth, lightweight vibe made of a safe and pure hard plastic. This powerful multi-speed vibe is 6.5 inches long and 1 2/10 of an inch wide. Houston is a sexy and wild adult superstar who knows what's hot, and she chose this waterproof pink leopard vibrator so you can be sexy and wild too. It's easy to use. Just twist the end cap to change the multi-speed vibrations. The pink leopard vibe uses 2C batteries and is waterproof for fun in and out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your pink leopard with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Become your own sex superstar with Houston's 6.5 inch Pink Leopard Massager.